We're doing tons and tons of bridal bouquets in that sort of boho sort of style, that loose organic feel. But once in a while you get a modern bride that wants something a little bit different. I'm Erik with Craft AIFD. Today I'm going to demonstrate the tips and techniques to create this incredibly stunning monochromatic bridal bouquet. So to begin the ribbon spool, simply put one Uglu tab toward the center of the spool and then attach a piece of the aspidistra ribbon strip. Begin winding it around the ribbon spool. I've simply taken multiple carnation stems and cut them at the same length. I'm using small pieces of bullion wire and attach them in a grid-like pattern. Here I'm using a grande size bridal bouquet, and I have tinted the backside with black spray paint. You can also use dark green. I'm actually putting the carnation stem grid underneath the bouquet holder. But before I do that, I'm actually going to insert some of the umbrella fern to the bottom side of the bouquet holder all the way around to create a collar. Then I've slipped the carnation grid over the top of that, and then I've slipped the aspidistra spool. Then I've added some smooth stems to the bottom. Then you're going to take corsage tape and tape over the top of all of the stems going down. So I've started with the miniature calla lilies, inserting them in and then bending them around and attaching them with a little bit of bullion to the carnation stem grid. Next, I'm adding in some of the aspidistra leaves, where I've simply taken the stem, given it a cut, insert it through the leaf, and then double it back over and insert it again through the leaf. And then those can get tucked all in a row up through the center of the bouquet. From there, I'm adding in the pincushion protea. The pincushion protea are quite heavy, so it's a good idea to add a little bit of Oasis Floral adhesive to the stem. Then when you insert it into the foam, it actually will lock into the wet foam and help them to hold. After that, I've added in these beautiful yellow roses from Rio Roses. This variety is called Brighton, and it's just a beautiful open yellow rose. Over the top, I've added in some Phalaenopsis orchids. You're going to add a little bit of the Japanese privet for texture. Then I also dissected one stem for the blooms and applied glue to the bottom of each bloom. And I have them dancing through the center of the design, gluing them to the aspidistra. Also, I've stuck in a small section of cymbidium orchids in this kind of wild citron-y yellow color. For a modern bouquet like this, I like to ribbon wrap the stem using double-faced satin. And rather than pinning the ribbon, I'm actually using the silver bullion to wind around the stems to conceal and pull it all together. Thanks for watching today, guys. I hope this has inspired you, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.